So, did you know that you can add music in Canva? So, this is the video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add music to your videos in the Canva. So, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So, first thing first, let's choose video. I will choose this video over here and let's set it as background, full screen. So this is the video over here, right? So let's play it. So this is how the video looks like. So let's say you want to add music to it and make it more like interesting and fun. So in order to add the music, you have to go to this section over here at the left corner. And here you can see many options like text, clothes, draw. So you can scroll all the way down and you can see an audio option over here. You can simply tap in that. And here you can find all the audios, different audios you can use. Or you can simply, if you cannot find the audio option here, you can go to the apps. You can see this apps plus icon. Let's tap in there. And here are many options like photos, audio, backgrounds. So here you can see the audio. Another way is you can also go in the apps and go and hit this audio button. And there you go. You can choose any of the music you'd like and yeah, add it to your videos. But here's the thing. In order to add music from the app itself, you need to have the Canva Premium. So yeah. With the normal account, you will not be able to add the music. So at least now you know how to add music. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.